question was about the ratios and the proportions.
Yes. And geometric mean. If there anyone can tell me what is the difference between ratio and proportion, and what do you know about geometric mean?
Can I say?
Yes, sure.
A ratio is when there's a comparison between two quantities with the same unit, and
Thank
there
you.
is three ways we can write it. We can write it in fraction
Mhm.
or column, or we can write example 8 to 6. And proportions is
Amazing. Hmm.
proportion is an equation that sets two ratios equal, and to find x we can use the cross products property.
Thank you. Thank you. Great. And do you know what the meaning of geometric mean? Geometric mean, or which relation, or how we can write it to satisfy which relation? Geometric mean. Is there anyone can tell me what is the geometric mean? Uta? Ahmad Magdi? Magdi?
No, I was gonna say the same, but I will add only it's the average of the of the value of the number.
It is a square positive value.
Uh,
It is
yeah.
square positive value, and it will satisfy a over x equal x over b. And also we were talking about similar polygons. If there anyone can tell me what is the difference between similar and congruent? What is the difference between similar and congruent? Debulina. Debulina.
Similar, the size is different
Yeah,
and the shape is same,
very good.
and congruent is like exactly the same.
And congruent is exactly the same, the shape and the size. Right. Okay, Bomika. 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 Sama. Sama.
Yes.
Could you please tell me the condition to say that those two figures are similar? Yani once we know that two figures are similar. So could you please tell me what you are going to know about it according to the angles and sides? Two figures are similar. Then
All the corresponding sides are proportional.
all each two
All,
each two corresponding
yes,
sides are proportional. And what about the angles?
all the angles are congruent.
All each two corresponding angles are equal in measure, and each two corresponding sides are proportional. And today I'm going to revise with you the part which is talking about similar polygons. Then, how we can define similar figures? Two figures are similar if they have the same shape, right? But they have the same size. They don't necessarily have the same size. So this is, if you want to talk about the similar figures, then they should have the same shape, but it's not necessary to have the same size. So those two figures now are similar or congruent. Those two figures now are similar or congruent. Yes, Abdullah. 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 عبد الرحمن أبو طالب. عبد الرحمن أبو طالب. أدهم.
They are
Yes
similar,
صح.
Miss.
أدهم.
Miss, they are similar.
They are similar. Okay,
صح.
Bhumika. Yes.
I answered you yes.
Who?
عبد الرحمن أبو طالب.
I couldn't hear you, Abdurrahman. Bhumika. Okay. Formal definition of similar polygons. Two polygons are similar if their corresponding angles are congruent and their corresponding sides are proportional. Then once we look at those two figures, we will recognize that angle A congruent with angle D, angle B congruent with angle E, and angle C congruent with angle F. The lengths of each two corresponding sides are proportional. Then the length of AB over the length of DE, AB over DE, and AC over DF. What is the third one? What is the third one? They should be proportional. What is the third side? They should be proportional. Jana. What is the third side? It will be proportional.
C and F.
C and F.
Angle C and angle F.
I'm not talking about angles now, ya Jana. We are talking about sides.
Sides. Okay.
We finished two, and I want the third one.
A and B and EAD.
No, I'm sorry. Please continue.
And AC and DF. And CB and DF.
Just a second.
And EF and AC.
Wait. We stopped till the point we said AB over DE. AC over DF. I'm asking about the third one. It will be
EF and CB.
EF and CB. Thank you. This was my question. Then the three sides are proportional. And proportional means what, ya Adham?
Proportional, it means that we divide them by each other, they give us the same ratio or fraction.
Okay, which means when you simplify each ratio, it will give us the same, each ratio, it will give us the same answer. Proportional. Length of sides proportional. If the ratio of the length of corresponding sides are equal, then, for example, two triangles here, I have the first side, which is AB equal 18 and YZ equal 9. 18 over 9 equal how many? 18 over 9 equal how many? Grade 9.
2.
It will be equal 2, right? What are the next two sides which we can use it? We have what?
CB over XY.
CB over XY. XY, it will be with AC. Okay, then it will be AC over XY, 14 over 7. Then 14 over 7, it will be equal to. The third is BC over XZ, then it will be 10 over 5. By the end, all the ratios equal what? Equal 2, which means they are proportional. Then, to say that the lengths of sides are proportional, if the ratio or the length of each two corresponding sides are equal. We have also scale factor. The ratio of corresponding sides, similar polygons, the scale factor, it will be from triangle ABC to, so we start here from the triangle ABC. Could you please anyone tell me what is the scale, what is the second triangle which it will be similar with
Mi-
ABC?
Miss, Miss, may I say? Miss, may I say?
Yes, Muhammad, go on.
Okay, it will be YX.
It will be ZYX. Let's check together. ZYX. Very good. Then I'm looking for the scale factor. Here, it will be how many? The scale factor, which means the scale factor here, it will be how many?
Answer 2
It will be
or
equal to.
Yeah,
It will be equal to, right? Then it will,
Yes.
from ABC to triangle ZYX, the scale factor equal to. From ZYX to ABC. From ZYX to ABC, what is the scale factor? Salma. Salma.
2.
From triangle ZYX to the triangle ABC, it will be
1/2.
1/2. Thank you. Then, if you will start from the bigger triangle to the smaller triangle, then the scale factor here equal to. But the second one, you started from the smaller to the bigger, then you found that the scale factor equal how many? Equal half. So you have to determine the two triangles first and then the scale factor. Now, naming similar polygons. Tell me the name of the two similar polygons which is in front of you now. Naming the similar figures.
Equal to RQ.
No, I'm looking for naming similar polygons. You have in front of you, you have similar polygons. So please name it. The figure, not the parts, not the angles or sides. The figure.
Yes, you mean يعني like B equal to
No,
يعني
like A, B, C, D, E. يعني say the name of the figure.
okay.
You can see in front of you that we have two similar polygons, right?
Yes.
Could you please tell me the names for the two similar polygons in front of you?
ACDB.
A,
For the
C, D, B, okay. A, C, D, B. And what is the second?
RQSB.
Exactly. R, Q, S, B. Okay, thank you. Then must match the corresponding letters. Like what? A, B, A, B. If you will start from A, B, D, C, then the second one it will be, if I'm going to say A, B, D, C, so the second one, Ya Abdullah, it will be Abdullah.
Yes, miss.
Could you please tell me the second one if I'm saying A, B, D, C? So the second one it will be
CDBA.
no. Bomika?
RBQ. I'm sorry.
RPSQ. So
Yeah. RPSQ. Could you please tell me the corresponding angles here? The corresponding angles it will be? Bomika?
ACDB and RQSB.
What did he say? Please raise your voice.
corresponding angles would be A is corresponding with R,
A is corresponding with R. What else?
C is corresponding with Q,
C with Q,
D and D with S,
D with S,
and B with P.
and P with P. Then we have to match each two corresponding angles together, like Bamika said. After that, we want the proportional sides. How we will identify the proportional sides? Jana, you can say the proportional sides?
Yes, mister.
Yes, please, honey.
AB with RP.
Yes, so we have AB
E,
with RP. Second,
ACE with RQ.
listen, Jana, you started with AB over RP, right? Then continue, please. BD over P.
Okay.
Then,
OPS.
yes, and then
DC
DC
over
over SQ, and then AC
and
over
QR over
QR.
C.
Yes, thank you. Then, again, proportional means all of the ratios are equal. Remember that proportional means all the ratios it should be equal. And this one, yes.
Ahmed Magdi wants you to let him in.
Farah Mahlab.
Yes, miss.
Could you please tell me?
We're gonna divide the corresponding sides by each other.
Corresponding sides by each other. And already we have that the triangle, the polygon ABDC similar with the polygon RPSQ, right? Then we will start from the smaller to the bigger one, which it will be, the scale factor, it will be how many?
8 over 18.
Thank you. So it will be 8 over 18. 8 over 18 in simplest form, it will be
4 over 9.
4 over 9. Okay, thank you so much, Farah. Who will work with me to find the length of AC, for example? The length of AC. How we will find the length of AC?
Yes,
Miss, I think we will use the cross multiplication.
Yes, we will use cross multiplication. Exactly. So we don't have AC, but we have RQ, right? So it will be, we can write it AC over how many?
14.
Over RQ.
So 18 over RQ, which is 14. This one, it will be equal
to RP over AB.
Just a second, what is the ratio? Farah told us that the scale factor was 4 over 9. Okay, then every time to find the missing side, you are going to use the scale factor for the two polygons, because we said that the two polygons are similar. And already we used two corresponding sides and we found the scale factor. Then to find the length of AC, you are going to multiply 4 times 14 divided by 9. What we are going to do to find CD? How we will find CD? How we are going to find CD?
Can I answer?
Farah Hashim, please answer.
Yes. How I will find CD? We will make CD over 24.
CD over 24. Yes, equal how many?
Equal 18. Equal 18 over 8.
Listen, you said CD, right?
Yes.
Over 24. What was the scale factor, ya Farah? 4 over 9. 4
Oh,
over
okay.
9. Then the scale factor, we are going to use it with all the
Oh, with all
in this
the
function,
sides in
which
the
is
okay.
4 over 9. And after that, we will use cross product,
Cross multiplication.
right? Or we will draw the fly, the butterfly, and then we will find the length of CD. Okay, and how we will find the third one? We are going to use the same way, which is BD over 28 equal 4 over
4 over
9.
9.
Then to find the missing, we will calculate first the scale factor, and then we will use cross product to find the length for each side. Remember that the scale factor is the same as the ratio of the sides. Always we put the first polygon mentioned in the numerator. Then you said A, B, D, C, so you have to start with AB over RP. And after that, what you have to do, BD over PS, and then DC over SQ, and the last one, it will be AC over RQ. Ritesh, could you please tell me again the two corresponding sides, how we are going to write each two corresponding sides? It will be what?
We will make يعني we will make
AB
20
over?
AB over RB.
Yes, and then?
DC?
No.
No.
Put them in order.
BD?
Yes.
Yes, BD over BS.
Yes, and then?
BC over SQ.
Yes, and the last one, it will be?
AC? No.
Yes, yes.
AC over RQ?
AC over RQ, exactly. Okay, in this question, how we will find the missing sides? What we have to do? He said at the beginning that the polygon ABCD similar with the polygon EFGH. How we will find the scale factor? Who can tell me the scale factor here? Who can tell me the scale factor? Hannah Hani.
Yes, miss.
Could you please tell me the scale factor? He said ABCD with EFGH. What is the scale factor?
AB over EH.
Thank you. AB over EF, which it will be how many?
20 over 10.
It will be 20 over 10. So the scale factor equal?
2.
2. And then we will use this ratio to find the missing sides. So we have less than a minute to end our meeting today. We were talking about similar polygons and how we can find the missing variable. Please don't hesitate to send to me any question. Watch the video again and answer your homework. Is there anyone want to ask me any question before we will end?